What's going on, guys? David J Woodbury here, back with another Landerbolt video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and edit your opt-in form on the page that you've imported. So the cool thing again about Landerbolt, if you're not familiar with Landerbolt, is you can import any landing page on the web basically using a URL only. So you don't need to do any coding or anything like that. So you can find landing pages that you want to use for your marketing and go ahead and copy those and then edit them right here on the platform. So I have this landing page here that I want to copy over. You can see it has the opt-in form already built onto it, and I'm just going to grab this link and we'll show you how to import a page really quick. So on Landerbolt, you'll notice up here on the left we can create a new page. I am just in the import a page from any URL, so I can just import that page right here. So this is the URL for that page that I want to import, and we'll just go ahead and make a name. And then the category, you can just kind of make this whatever you want. Domain, we'll just go ahead and select one of these. And then the folder name, that's another section of the URL slug. So you'll notice when I create the page, it'll show up right in that URL slug. So kind of make this whatever you want to make sure you know that people will be able to see that in the URL itself. So you'll see a page is created successfully. Now I can just click publish and I'll get a URL here. So you'll notice here YT free report, which is that folder name. So if you want to name that something different, you can go ahead and do that. So you'll notice here, this is on my own domain now. So Break the Internet Live YT free report. So this is mine now. But now what I can do is we want to change that opt-in form there. And what I'm using is GetResponse. I'm just in the plain HTML forms. You can use any lead capture form service you want. You know, Monster is one, a GetResponse. There's tons of them out there. Anything that you can build a form and just grab the HTML code you can utilize. So this one is just really simple. So I have this set up. This is the preview right here. You'll see what it looks like. I've got the email, then download. Right over here I got my list set. On GetResponse, you can set up your whatever list you want your emails to go into, and then the autoresponder. So if you have an autoresponder already set up for this list, we can set it up to go out instantly. So what I like to do with these is when somebody opts in, I have an email go out instantly with the download link, and then I just host my downloads right here on GetResponse most of the time, and you can just put those in the files area. You can upload your file and then grab the link, and then you can email that to them and they can click it and then download it. So that's how that works. If you don't want them to go into the autoresponder, you can uncheck that. This is the button, so we can change the name of the button like submit, but we'll leave that just download. Okay, so download, you can add their name in there. You'll notice that pops up. We'll just leave their email for now. And then custom thank you page. So if you want somebody to go to another site or another affiliate link or back to your website or something, you can put in a URL right here. If you leave that unchecked, it'll just give the default thank you once they subscribe. So we'll just leave that. And then what we need to do is just copy this code and then jump back over to Landerbolt. And then we want to hop into the visual editor right here. And you'll notice here we can actually click on things. So the image, we can right click and then go to image properties and change whatever we want to change here. All these different things we can edit. So what we want to change is this opt-in form, and we want to go to this source tab right here, and you'll notice right here this kind of faded text. It says start, replace the following code section with your autoresponder code. So what we're looking for is this form right here. You'll notice if you're familiar with HTML, anything that starts with a bracket like this, and it's just a single word inside there is usually the beginning. And you'll notice right down here where it says form again with this slash, this forward slash inside the brackets, that's the ending of the form. So what we want to do is just select everything to do with the form, delete that out of there, and then we just want to paste our form inside there. So we can just click save changes, and then we can open up our link again, and you'll notice that our form is there. I'll go ahead and refresh that. So you can see here now if we enter our email, it's going to go to our email list, and then if I have an email set up to go out, that will happen automatically. So now I don't need to change anything else on the page. That was really quick and simple to do. Now I can go ahead and promote this, breaktheinternet.live/YT free report, and I'm ready to go. So really super easy. That's one super cool thing about Landerbolt is I like to use this for a lot of the bridge pages and landing pages for different niches that I use. Really quick, easy to find things online and then edit them how you want. So again, you can create pages from a zip file, a URL, or you can use these templates as well. So you can see right here they have a bunch of pre-built templates that you can use. You just replace the images and some of the text and you're ready to go. So they got listicles, advertorials, bridge pages, sweepstakes, surveys, match finder page, you know, all kinds of stuff, blog post. So if you want to build really professional looking landing pages, Landerbolt is really good for that, and it's really quick. You can build hundreds of pages in minutes if you wanted to, just importing. So that is how you set that up and put your own opt-in form and edit your opt-in form on Landerbolt. Make sure to check out that link down below if you're interested in Landerbolt. It is about half the price of what it used to be, so make sure to take advantage of that. That link down below is my affiliate link, so I appreciate the support. And if you do have any questions on Landerbolt, make sure to ask them in the comments below. I do have other videos on my channel as well, and I'll put those in the description, so if you're interested in more features of Landerbolt and kind of seeing more in depth of what it is, you can check those out as well. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell so you don't miss any videos that I post, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.